Vitamin B12 and nerve health support. Numb hands are not normal. A strange tingling in my feet started showing up late at night. At first, I blamed stress and long hours sitting at my desk. Then, the burning sensation crept into my fingertips. Holding a coffee mug felt oddly difficult. I ignored it for months until a doctor asked one simple question. Have you checked your vitamin B12 levels? How vitamin B12 supports nerves. Vitamin B12 helps maintain the protective covering around nerves called myelin. When B12 levels stay too low for too long, nerve signals may slow down or become disrupted. This can lead to numbness, weakness, balance problems, or burning sensations. The National Institutes of Health explains that vitamin B12 plays a major role in red blood cell formation and nervous system function. Low levels are more common in older adults, people with digestive disorders, and strict vegans who avoid animal foods. According to research published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, prolonged deficiency may contribute to nerve-related symptoms and cognitive changes. Recovery depends on how long the deficiency has been present and how severe it becomes. Nerve repair takes patience. After my blood test confirmed low B12, I started making changes carefully under medical guidance. The improvement was not magic overnight, but after several weeks, the tingling slowly became less intense. My energy improved too. Even my balance felt steadier during walks. Foods that naturally contain vitamin B12 include salmon, sardines, eggs, beef liver, yogurt, and fortified cereals. For some people, food alone may not be enough. Individuals with poor absorption may require supplements or prescribed injections from a healthcare professional. Small nutrition changes matter. Older adults sometimes absorb less B12 because stomach acid levels decline with age. Medications for acid reflux may also reduce absorption in certain cases. This is why testing matters more than guessing. The Mayo Clinic warns that nerve symptoms can have many causes besides vitamin deficiency. Diabetes, injuries, alcohol misuse, and certain autoimmune conditions may also damage nerves. Getting the correct diagnosis is important before starting supplements. Some people may notice side effects from supplements or interactions with medications. Balance and proper dosage always matter. Talk to your doctor first. To support nerve health naturally, focus on steady habits. Eat balanced meals with enough protein. Stay physically active to improve circulation. Sleep consistently, and track symptoms like numbness, muscle weakness, or changes in balance over time. Healing often happens slowly. Nerves do not recover on social media timelines. They recover through consistency, nutrition, and proper medical care. Your nerves need support, not hype. If this video gave you useful insight, leave a comment with your experience and support the channel with a like. Small steps can change your health.